Well, you can see that we're moving, progressing quite nicely. The whole nose is starting to be hung on the front here with the front fenders, the grill, aprons to come along, as well as the hood. You can see we have a nice Toyota badge in here. The restored buckets. And again, just to emphasize, a lot of stainless steel hardware being used throughout this whole project. And wherever it's needed, you can see that we actually even replaced and riveted in what's called blind nuts to hold the ultimate bezel in for the headlight. Nice to see this level of detail. Again, more stainless throughout the whole project. We even have doors on. Stainless pins, hinge bolts. We're waiting for a gasket to arrive here at the top of the windshield. It'll be a brand new gasket that goes between the windshield and the cowl. The one that was in there was not reusable. We'll have a nice new decal here for this, or what we'll call a badge or plate that reflects the shifting pattern for the transfer and transmission.